Alrighty, y'all. So now we are going to be setting up our digital portfolios. These portfolios are going to be a place for you to hold your work, hold anything that I want you guys to upload into there, as well as our essays. It's really important that we have these digital portfolios set up so that we have a place to store all of our written work. So first and foremost, if you don't want to watch this video, you totally don't have to. And if you already know how to set up a folder in Google and share it with somebody, then you are 10 steps ahead of everybody else. For those of you that still need some help, here are the written instructions, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first you're going to head over to your Google Drive, and it's important that you're making sure that you are logged in with your Arlington ISD student account, okay? So first things first, you're going to hit New, you'll tap Folder, and then you'll title your folder with first the block that you're in. So let's say you are in second block. You'll write block 2, then you'll type a colon, and then you'll write your last name, comma, your first name. Then you'll hit Create. You'll notice that the block 2, Moreno, comma, Carissa, shows up right here. So you'll go ahead and tap this, and then up at the top, you'll hover over this arrow and you'll click it. Then you're going to select Get Shareable Link, and then you're going to share this link with me. But before you hit Copy Link, I want you to make sure that where it says Restricted, it's changed to AISD, okay? Now you're going to hit Copy Link, select Done, and then navigate back over to the assignment page, and you'll paste this link into the submission box below. Now this is what my side looks like, so it doesn't have a submission box, but there will be one for you, okay? If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email or send me a message on Remind, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Alrighty, y'all.